Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BNZ app won't update on your phone, here's how to fix it for the app Bank of New Zealand. First, check your internet connection, and app updates require a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If the signal is weak, switch networks and try again. Then head over to your settings app, go to general and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage space. If your storage is almost full, update may fail. Delete unused apps or file to free up space. Then restart your phone and then open the App Store or your Google Play Store again. Search for BNZ Mobile App and tap Update if available. If the update button does not appear, log out of your App Store account and log back in to refresh. If it still won't update, uninstall the BNZ app completely and reinstall the latest version from the store. That's how to fix the BNZ app not updating. Subscribe for more.